Hello dear student, on behalf of DAP School, I'd like to welcome each one of you in this science class. And this is our 7th video class. Don't miss this video class. Okay? Today we are going to give revision on lesson 8. Heading is given food for health. Page number 69, you will find this one. Okay, here is given write T or the true statement and false and F for false one. Let's do this true and false. Let's read this statement. Number 1. We get all our food from plants. Is it right? No. From plants and animals we are getting the food. Okay? This statement is false. Now, fruits and vegetables come from plants. It's the right statement. We are getting all the vegetables and fruits from plants. Okay, we get meat, egg from animals. Do you understand this statement? What will be? T or F? What? T. Then, number 4, to stay healthy, we should eat food only from plants. Is it right? No, that means F, false. Okay, so this way you will read this true and false again and again. Then you will understand that this statement is true or false. If you don't read again and again, you cannot say this one. Also, you will read the chapter 8 to understand this statement. Do you understand what I said? Good, very good. Okay, here is given objective types of questions. Okay, fill in the blanks with the correct words. এখানে দুটি শব্দ দেওয়া আছে, এই শব্দ দুটি থেকে কোন শব্দটি সঠিক শব্দ সেটি ওই ফিল ইন দ্য ব্ল্যাঙ্কসে অথবা যে গ্যাপটি দেওয়া আছে সেটিতে তোমাদের লিখতে হবে। বুঝতে পেরেছো ছোট্ট বন্ধুরা? তোমরা কি বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বলেছি? গুড। Okay, let's read. Number 1, we get vegetables, fruit, cereals and pulses from plants and animals. Which one will be the right one? From plants. Okay. Number 2, dash milk, candies makes our bones and teeth strong. Which one will be the perfect one, correct one, most correct one here? Milk. Milk makes our bones and teeth strong. Okay. Number 3, to be healthy, we must eat dash one or different kinds of food. বিভিন্ন ধরনের খাবার আমাদের খাওয়া প্রয়োজন না এক ধরনের খাবার শুধু খাওয়া প্রয়োজন? বিভিন্ন ধরনের খাবার প্রয়োজন। So different kinds of food we need to eat. Number 4, we dash should or should not overeat. Overeat মানে বেশি খাওয়া। আমরা কখনো বেশি খাবো না, ঠিক আছে? ওকে, এখন এখানে কি should হবে or should not হবে কোনটা? Which one will be the correct word? Should not. Okay, number 5, eating healthy food help us to grow or sleep. Which one? Most correct one will be the grow. Okay? আমরা স্বাস্থ্যকর যদি খাবার খাই তাহলে আমরা অনেক বড় হব। তোমরা কি বাসায় এই ধরনের খাবার খাও? গুড, ভেরি গুড। তাহলে তো অনেক বড় হয়ে গেছো, আমি তোমাদের দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, আমি তোমাদের মিস করছি যে তোমরা অনেক বড় হয়ে গেছো। গুড, ভেরি গুড। এবং আমরা চাই তোমরা যেন বাসায় সুস্থ এবং সবল থাকো সবাই। এটাই আমরা আমাদের সৃষ্টিকর্তার কাছে দোয়া করি। ঠিক আছে? ওকে। Match the following: column A and column B. Here is given some letter for you and here is given serial number. So if you want to draw the line, no problem, you can draw the line. Or if you want to choose the letter, you can choose and you can write beside the number. Okay? Do you understand what I said? Good, very good. Okay, let's see. Butter and ghee, which one? Made from milk. Number B. Fruits and vegetables from plants we are getting. Okay, number D. Eating lots of chips. What? This one is unhealthy food for us. Okay, number A. Okay, milk. What help us? Strong bones and teeth. Milk help us to make our bones and teeth strong. Number C. Okay, this is matching and you will do again and again at home. We don't have now homework. I hope and believe that you have completed all the exercise for your second term exam. Okay? So, thank you very much for your attention. Okay, you will find my mail ID. So if you want to say something, if you want to write something, if you want to know something, you can write on mail or in mail. Okay, thank you very much once again. Bye bye, see you again.